My name is Anya, and today I really want to make a frosted banana cake, which is just a banana cake with a cream cheese frosting and some roughly chopped up walnuts. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit notification bells. You're notified every time I upload. Upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a bowl with 1 cup of flour, add in a 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, a 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Mix and set aside. In a bowl, add in a 1/4 cup melted butter, 1 cup sugar, 1 egg, and 2 teaspoons vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Add the flour mixture in 2 batches and add a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Mix until smooth. Add in 1 cup of mashed bananas and mix until well combined. Pour into a prepared baking pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 18 to 19 minutes. In a bowl, 5 ounces of cream cheese, add in 2 tablespoons of butter and mix until smooth. Gradually add in 2 cups of icing sugar, add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and mix until well combined. Place your serving dish on top of your baking pan and invert it. Remove the tin. Spread the cream cheese frosting on top of the banana cake. Add some roughly chopped up walnuts on top. And enjoy a frosted banana cake.